Why force a drone to carry a heavy AI brain? Hardware is dead weight. Meet the 5G Proxy AI Co-Pilot. The Flightory Stallion acts merely as our eyes in the sky, streaming zero-latency raw data over a 5G uplink directly to our ground station supercomputers. Watch the execution. We are initializing the J.A.R.V.I.S architecture for a tactical pursuit. The YOLO V8 spotter is scanning the ambush zone, waiting for the suspect.
Target acquired, sir. CSRT. Tracking engaged. Predicting trajectory.
Once the target enters the sector, our hybrid tracking protocol locks on. It tracks the physical entity and predicts its trajectory in real time, bypassing onboard limitations entirely. This is world-class defense technology. Seamless, two-way communication between human intelligence and flying robots. We don't just build drones. We build the intelligence that commands them.